One of the most outstanding features of a home is the kitchen splashback. A well-designed splashback not only protects your walls from cooking spills and splatters, but also serves as a stunning focal point in your kitchen. At Amber, we believe that creating your dream kitchen splashback is easier than you think, and we're here to guide you through the process. As a first step, before you start tiling, make sure your wall is clean, dry, and smooth. If you have any gaps or uneven surfaces, you may need to install a piece of timber or cement board to create a level base for your tiles. Don't forget to protect your countertops and appliances with drop cloths or other protective materials. When it comes to designing your kitchen splashback, the possibilities are endless. At Amber, we offer a wide range of tile materials, colours and patterns to suit any style. Consider the overall aesthetic of your kitchen and choose tiles that complement your cabinets, countertops and appliances. The way you lay your tiles can greatly impact the final look of your splashback. A straight lay pattern is simple and timeless, while a herringbone or chevron pattern adds visual interest and movement. To achieve a perfect layout, start by making a centerline on your wall and laying out your tiles dry to ensure a balanced design. Use spaces to maintain consistent gaps between tiles and a spirit level to ensure each row is straight. Once you are happy with your layout, it's time to adhere the tiles to the wall. Mix your tile adhesive according to the manufacturer's instructions and use a notched trowel to apply it to the wall. Start from the bottom and work your way up, placing each tile firmly into the adhesive. Use a tile cutter or wet saw to make any necessary cuts around outlets or edges. After the adhesive has set, it's time to grout your tiles. Choose a grout colour that complements your tiles and mix it according to the instructions. Use a rubber float to apply the grout, filling in all the spaces between the tiles. Remove any excess grout with a damp sponge and allow it to dry completely. Finally, apply a bead of silicone sealant around the edges of your splashback to ensure a water-resistant seal. With Amber's high-quality tiles and expert advice, you can create a stunning and functional kitchen splashback that will transform your space. Visit your nearest Amber showroom today to get started on your dream kitchen. With only the best advice for kitchen tiles, why shop anywhere else? Amber has the answer.